Okay, I'm starting my presentation with overconsumption. Um, I found it pretty shocking when I started doing the research about it. I guess you could say I was a little naive when it came to overconsumption. Here it says the problem with the practice would be energy, water, raw materials, and air pollution. That's the number one factor. A lot of people assume that's it, but it isn't. There's a lot that we overconsume. And I just never realized it. It's kind of shocking when I did see it, like I said before, um, how much we actually do consume. This is a solution to overconsumption. And what we do is we need to reduce food that we take from the cafeterias. We waste so much food. We waste everything, electric, water. We don't use biomaterials, which we really should. Um, like it says here in the one slide, reduce tissue paper usage, recycle cans from soda drinks, reduce plastic bags and recycle them. And now it just makes you realize, wow, the amount of stuff we actually do consume and what it takes. Um, Here it's just we just take a lot of food in. As Americans, that's what we do. We like everything big and because we just assume everything's always going to be there. Um, and a lot of the world is hungry. But here we're like, no big deal. We do what we need to do. It says here we do 10 tons of wasted food each month. That's crazy. And the consumption that we do and the consequences that are involved in all of this um, is overwhelming. 3 tons of wasted paper each month. How many trees we cut down. But I do understand with the trees we do plant every tree that we do take down. Um, that's just one thing that we do. Uh, the next slide is simply what we consume too much of, not because of resources we use, but because of the market driven. We just, when we're sad, we buy. When we're happy, we buy. It's just all what we consume. It's what we're used to, and that's what our society is. But we got to stop and realize if we don't stop what we're doing, we may not have a future. My suggestion would be that to get my community together once a month and start recycling things, work together, because this is what we're going to have to do later on. If we don't do it, it's going to get worse. That's the way I look at it. And there won't be a future. Scientists and researchers are saying that we have the rate we're going, it's going to be 2030, where we could run out of resources. And that's not a good thing for us. My reflection on it is I never realized what we consume. All I thought was, oh, we overconsume natural products like fossil fuels, water, but we can't grow that stuff back if we run out. I hope this works. This is my presentation. Thank you so much.